Moving on, let's also look at the player settings, and with player they mean the actual player that plays the game, which can be embedded in the browser, as well as the player that is standalone. To change the settings for this, go to Edit, Project Settings, and then Player. Now it gives you a couple of options. Of course, you can change the name of the company that published the game, the name of your product, the default screen width and height. Then also you could do the same for the web version. So for example, if you think that the web version is a little small, which is my opinion also, then you can change this as well. Then the default resolution, you could say I want this dialog to be enabled or disabled, or by default hidden. Then if you wanted to play full screen by default, which I usually do check on, then it can do that. Of course, it allows alpha as soon as it's a dashboard widget. You can also set it to run in the background, or to have a single screen only, and to display a watermark over your game, for example, if it's only a temporary test or something to prove to your publisher so that they can't steal the concept. Then you can also set the resolution dialog banner, which is the picture that shows when you run the standalone version, and you can basically drag a two-dimensional texture on top of here and it will show that picture when you run it. Then it also gives you some options for icon size and the aspect ratios that you'd like to support for the standalone versions of your game. So that's how you change the player settings.